Hey guys, welcome to this Instagram guide, and here I'll detail how to make accounts private on Instagram. So if you want to turn your Instagram account to a private account instead of a public account, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make accounts private on Instagram, all you just need to go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. This could be on your Android and then on your iPhone. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right to come to your Instagram profile page. And on the profile page, click on the menu icon at the top right. Once you click on the menu icon at the top right, you'll be taken to the settings and activity page. In the settings and activity page, you want to scroll down until you get to who can see your content. And under who can see your content, click on account privacy. Then once you selected account privacy, you should see private account. When your account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. Now, when your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages, and your followers and following list. Certain info on your profile, such as your profile picture and username, is visible to anyone on and off Instagram. Now, to make account private, I just need to toggle on this. Then you see what that says switch to private account. Then come here and click on switch to private. And then you are good to go. Once you have private account enabled, so that is basically how to make account private on Instagram. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.